for us from our mother nature.
As a human, what did we achieve apart from working for 9 hours a day and earning our salary?
What did we give to our Mother Earth apart from polluting it in one way or other? Like water pollution from the industrial wastes are polluting our rivers, lakes and seas and affecting the fishes which leads life.
Air or smoke pollution from industries, vehicles, mobile towers which affect the birds. The radiation from the mobile towers affect the birds from finding their way back to their house.
Deforestation, removal of trees and other vegetation reduces availability of food. Shelters and breeding habitats can lead to direct loss of wildlife habitat.
Animals may not be able to find adequate shelter, food and water to survive within remaining habitat. What do we gain by doing so?
What did we achieve by destroying all other living creatures? The only thing we earn is
kumar, which made us to settle our home apart from polluting this nature.
Look at the nature now. Nitrogen dioxide levels has come down as there is only 5% vehicles on the road, and we could also smell the fresh air.
All the sea and river waters are fresh now.
All other living creatures are happy in living their life, while we humans are suffering.
What can we do in this situation?
Sir, at this time, let us think for a minute that what in all sins we have done to this Mother Nature.
Let's join our hands and pray for the souls for those who got infected and left us in COVID-19. Also, we should request our Mother Earth to forgive us for what we have done by ensuring that we will not do it again. Thank you.
Not to pollute the nature as much as you can. As per our government guidelines, we took the decision to stay at home, wash our hands regularly, maintain social distance and eat nutritious food. Now it's your turn. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.